Hello guys, we're here to go through how to log the points, the very points you've earned by attending the activities that we talked about, and now you have your points. And now we're going to go through how you navigate the CPD portal and log in your points and meet those requirements. Yeah, so this is what you're going to be doing in this video. I'll be showing you guys a step by step procedures. I said guys, I'm basically spoon feeding you because this is not that hard, but if you're having any challenges, this is the video for you. Watch it and learn. All right, so the first thing you'll do, of course, is to search engineers of Kenya. And you'll have this, and click on that. And then you have a lot of information there, but you're only interested in CPD. So you see about EBK accreditation, register, registration, news, resource. We come here to training and development, CPD. So you see all this, and as you can see, there's even an event put here for you. This is an upcoming event, EPC, Engineering Partnership Convention 2023. You see this one has like 18 points. So if you attend this one, you have 18 points, and the cost is also there. Okay, so how to log in? You come here. If this is your first time, if you've never come here, of course you'll go to sign up. Sign up. If you're a graduate, you've never done this before, go to sign up, put your registration number there. I'm assuming you've already gotten your EBK registration number. You put it there. You put your phone number, you put your email address, and then you put a password. But I don't know if this works right now. But the first time I tried it, it never worked. And I think I got the same from two other people who also tried doing this. It did not work. So in short, if you try it and it doesn't work, just call EBK. I think they have some contact the way that you can contact them somewhere. There should be a contact. There should be a contact somewhere. Just give me a moment to look for it. There should be a contact. Should be a contact. I think I used this one. If I'm not wrong, I used this contact. So just try that, and then just try that because I can't see a way of reaching them from their website. I can't see anything. I can't even see an email. Okay. Mailers here. There's mailers here, so you can mail them, or you can use that contact I showed you, and then you can tell them your problem, and it will be sorted. However, if you have done that and you've already gotten they've helped you reset your password, you'll come to login, you'll put your registration number, and then you'll put your password. Okay, so let's do that. So I have just logged into my account. And because of privacy, I haven't shown you my my password and my registration number. Though, okay, I wasn't comfortable doing that, but I really hope that I've shared enough information that can help you do it for yourself. So when you come to this part, you'll see a dashboard, my CPD, and all that. So you have so many options. Book an event. You have all these things. So as you can see, this 50 plus 10. This was last year, 2022. I had 60 points. So I had 10 extra points. So if I come to 2023, you'll see that I should be having 10 that is carried over from 2022. Now, out of those 60, they were all formal activities. I never had any work-based activities. I never had any contributions to knowledge. I did not do any presentations. I did not have any participation. So mine were formal, 60 points from formal. So yes, 2023, I still have my 10 carryover points. I have not really logged in. I have attended a few events, but they have not been updated. If you attend EBK events, they will be updated automatically. If you come here to say CPD internal events, they'll be updated automatically. Like this ones I attended 4 last year. You don't have to come and log in and upload them. But then if you attend external events, you have to come and upload them. Yeah. Like these ones, these are events I attended last year, and they were this ones, the one I mentioned in my previous video, the Big Five construct. As you can see, the certificates here, you have to upload certificates, and they're going to be comments. And if your event has not been approved, you will see that the EBK will give you a comment there. I'll just show you this one. I took a short course, and it was rejected. And there's a comment there. I cannot really read it. I don't know why. But I had uploaded a badge. I had received a badge, but that was rejected by the EBK. All right. So back to how you can log your points. So you have attended your points. You've attended the event, and you have your certificate. Now you come to this platform. Where do you start? How do you log in? How do you log in the points that you have received? So what you're gonna do is come here to my CPD, and then you choose either internal events, external events. There's a PDU calculator, and there's apply for exemption. As you can remember from our previous video, I gave you reasons that can qualify you to apply for exemption. And remember, you have to provide proof if you're applying for exemption. You can come and then you choose which year you want to apply for exemption. You select the year, you select the reason, the retirement, extenuating circumstances, whichever one applies for you. And then you go to the specific reason. And then you choose the application letter, you upload it there. You have to upload the proof. Then you accept if it's true, then you apply. But that was just I was just showing you how to do that. But now let's go to how you're going to be uploading your points. Remember I told you the internal events and external events. Internal events,
are organized by the EBK. External events are organized by EBK partners. So internal events, if you attended internal events, the EBK will automatically upload them. So if you come here, you'll find you already have points. If you attended an external event, you come here to external events, and then you come here at add PDUs. There are instructions of how you can add PDUs. There is a click on the upload PDU tab, blah, 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 fill in the form with respective data, upload certificate in JPEG, PNG, or PDF formats, submit the application, and wait for a response. So as you've had, you come here, you need to fill this form. The year is 2023. You need to select activity. Is it structured or is it unstructured activity? So structured, you come here, you select formal. You'll realize that it's different if you select unstructured. Here, you have to choose informal activities. So remember structured, you have up to 40, it's only have 10. So if you choose, if your event was structured and maybe you attended the workshop, you choose there. You come here, you select formal activities. You come here, you select the event name, you fill it, the location, you fill it. If it was online, you write there webinar, or you can write online. The date it started, you put the date, the end date, and the PDUs. You see, you can claim up to 40 points, the PDUs that you earned. Usually in your certificate of participation or attendance, it should be written there how many PDUs you earned from that event. And then you have to upload a certificate for this event. You have to upload a certificate. So yes, you upload a certificate there or proof that you attended this event that you're logging. So basically that's it. That's it. If it was unstructured, you just come here and change to unstructured activity. Informal, you put the event name. You see now it changes. You can claim up to only 10 points on structured activities. So that's it. That's how you do it. And then when you submit, it will be among the entries. As you can see, this is the name, the date, the location, the points, and then after a while, it's not approved immediately. It's approved after a while. So that's it, guys. If you have more questions, please type on the chat box. I really hope you've learned something, or a lot of things rather. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.